Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my June Morphe Me unboxing. If you like to see what I got this June, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. And now let's see what brushes I got this June. And for those of you who don't know what Morphe Me is a monthly subscription box for $19.99. You do receive anywhere between 3 brushes and 8 brushes monthly. And what I like about this subscription box is that you do get free shipping if it's in the US. If you live outside the US, you can always subscribe for an additional $3.99 or $4.99. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the information in the description box below. I also wanted to let you guys know that if you do subscribe today using the link below or the code that I'll be leaving here, you do receive a free brush at checkout. They do have different types of brushes that you could choose at checkout. And so if you would like to get a free brush, I'll just leave the information down below. Another thing that I like about Morphe Me is that you can cancel at any time. You can put it on pause if you don't have money for a certain month. And if you don't like the brushes that you receive, that you'll be receiving this month, you can always exchange them for brushes from previous months, which I love. Not a lot of subscription boxes you can do stuff like that, so that's one of the things that I love about this one. Now let's see what brushes I got. So this month I did receive 3 brushes. The brushes that I received are a gold color, which I don't think we've gotten gold color brushes. The first brush is the Y7 brush, which is a round buffer brush. This one's perfect for applying your foundation to buff your contour or buff your concealer. Next is the Y1 brush, which is a precision pointed powder brush. This one, I really like these brushes to remove powder, to apply powder under your eye, or to bronze your face, to apply blush, and not to apply powder to my whole face, but to apply powder in certain areas, like this area right here, like the areas that you don't want to apply translucent powder to. The last brush is the Y12 brush, which is a pro flat contour brush. This one, I would use it to apply cream contour, and also to apply powder to be more precise on my contour. And I would also use it to chisel my nose. This month, like I said, we only received 3 brushes. Of the 3 brushes, I feel like these 2 would be the brushes that I would have more use for. This brush, I would use it, but not as much, so that's one of the reasons why I just don't feel like I'm so excited about it, only because we have received these type of brushes a lot in previous months. So I already have a lot of these brushes and I don't use them that much. That's the reason why I'm more excited for these 2 brushes that I know that I'll have more use for. That was everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you guys time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.